Hello guys, and welcome to Bookers Masterclass. In today's video, I'm going to show you an app that you can be using to mine cryptocurrencies and withdraw them cash into your wallet whenever you want. So this particular app is on Play Store, and I'm going to tell you the name in this video and how you can get started by using this app to make money for yourself. Now there is four categories, four ways that this particular app can give you money. Number one is by watching ads and getting paid. For example, you can play the ads, and when the ads play on your phone, you get paid for doing that. Number two is they have an e-commerce platform, which is those e-commerce platforms are platforms that sell something online. So if you use their e-commerce platform to purchase anything online, you also get paid. Number three is mining. By just pressing mining on your phone, the app will be mining for you and you are going to be paid for doing that. So the app has some times that it can mine too. It can mine for 24 hours depending on whenever you want it to mine. You can click on the mining button and minimize your phone and be doing whatever thing you want to do with your phone, and the app will still be mining for you. So in order to make more money for using the mining side of it, you can still increase the hash rate by purchasing more way. When you purchase more hash rate, the app will be mining more than the previous one you'll be using for free. Now that is number three. Number four is by playing games. The app also has games that you can play and then you get paid by playing those games. When you play a game, you get paid for doing that. So everything you do in this particular app I'm going to show you is going to be paying you money. To download this app, I'm going to show you the tutorial on how to do everything. So stick with me right here as I take you to my screen, and I'm going to show you the process and the steps on how you can be able to get the app. Now to download it, I'm going to leave a link in the description of this video, whether on Facebook, whether on YouTube, anywhere you are going to watch this video, there will be a link in the description or in the first comment of this video. So please use the link and register. While registering, remember to use my invitation code while registering. Don't just register alone. Remember, when you register with my invitation code, I am going to get some invitation commission by you using my promo code. So please do well and use my promo code to support what I'm doing here. So let's get to the screen and I'm going to show you. Remember, if you have not followed this page, kindly follow. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please do well and subscribe and like this video. Let's get there to the screen. Hi guys, so this is particular app, and to get this app, I'm leaving a link in the description of this video or in the first comment of this particular video. Please click on it and download the app. So as you download the app, this is the first thing you are going to see when you register. To register, you need your email address, any email of your choice. And remember, if you have two phones, you can also have two accounts and be mining at the same time. So email address, then the invitation code, that is my invitation code in the description of video, in the description of this video. And then the next one is your password. Choose a good password. Okay, so once you opt in the app, this is what you are going to see. Now look across here, guys. See here. So this place, you can see something that is going on here. What you are seeing there is mining. I'm mining as we speak. Remember, I'm not even using this phone, but it's mining for me. Okay, so then to mine more, so now these are the four things that I listed here why in the intro video. So you can see that there is advertising, there is e-commerce, and there is mining and game. I don't want to explain them again as I have did previously. So I'm going to click on mining. Okay, now when I click mining, you can see that there is something like shovel here. If I want it to stop mining, I'll just click it. No, I don't have to be forced. So far you have clicked it, it will be mining out till 24 hours, then it will start again. So right now I am mining. Okay, now I can go back again, and now I can click advertising. Now for this advertising, all I have to do here is to watch ads. So to do this, just click on one ad and the thing will play. So the ads is going to play, and then I'm going to wait for the ads to play, and after the ads has played, I will earn something from it. So something is mixing here, I don't know. So the ads always play like this, but I don't know what's going on. Okay, it has started. So this is an ads, right? The ads will be playing like this. Okay, you are going to see that there is something here which is loading. So after this thing, the ads will complete. Don't off it until it finishes so that you end the reward. So after it has finished, I will just click like this. You can see that I have converted my. There is something I want to explain to you guys here. Okay, there is something I would like to explain to you guys in this particular video. There is what we call DBM, and there is what we call DB. So this thing called so guys, this is something I want to explain to you guys. Now, how to earn $64. For example, you can be earning $64 per day in this particular application. Now there are guides to do that. So this particular picture now is in this video, so you can watch it anytime. And if you want this particular picture, for me to send you this picture so you understand everything very well, you have to comment that I need the picture, and I will DM you and send you the picture. Anywhere you want to comment on Facebook, comment on YouTube, I'm going to send you this photo. Now you said when you purchase, now there are 3 steps. Number 1 is purchase DB boost to boost your mining rate, to mine more DB and receive extra DBM. Now number two step to earn is what? To watch ads, win up to 100,000 DBM reward individual. Now I don't want to go through all these things. What I want to show you is below. Now see that 100 DBM plus 150 DBM plus 1440 DBM plus 777 DBM is equal to $64. All these things, if you dedicated your time to do this, you can earn this $64. Here they say this daily. When you take it serious, you will earn it daily. For example, you wake up every morning, you play 100 ads before going out. It's very possible. Then the next thing you can do for yourself is you can target 1 week $64. Very, very possible, and this is free money. Now, so now the next one is games. You can click on game right here. Any candy, everybody, you love playing candy that doesn't give you money. You can play candy here that gives you money. Simple thing, just click on the game. I don't want to play it right here, so just click on the game and play the game. Number 1 is e-commerce platform. Now this is e-commerce platform. If you want to buy what the Boost NFTs and to increase your mining rate, when you shop here, you buy more DBM, and these DBMs are money. These are what? Metaverse mining. This is called Metaverse mining, and it's giving money. Now let me show you how to withdraw your money when you have made profit. So to withdraw your money when you have made profit, you click on right here, and you see that I have not really paid attention to doing this. That is why that's what you are seeing here is I'm earning 0.01 USDT, because I have not really did it. Okay, so if you take this thing serious, you will make money. Just try it out, do it for 1 week, and if it is not profitable, you can leave it. But if it is profitable, you can keep doing it. So when you now make money, you can just all others, this is where you can be able to process your payment. You can process your payment right here. If you want to process your payment, all these things you can do it right here. Once you make money, you are going to see, you can see everything here. You can also make more money by inviting people. So all those details is in the photo. If you comment I need the photo, I send you the photo. So guys, use the link in the description of this video and download. Make sure you register with my invitation code. See you guys in my next video.